Hey, you out there, how are you doing? This is me, Rebecca. I am back with another bead attack. I'm just going to start calling these unboxings bead attacks. This is from Nina Kittleson, Hole in the Wall Beads on Facebook. I've done unboxings for her store before, and I just love everything I get. And she has such a wide variety of items and interesting pieces, and she just will take off and go to Tucson and just do a big bead shop, and it's amazing. Anyways, we'll get on with the video because it's almost a minute in. All right, so let's do some unboxing. And okay, I've got everything pretty much unpacked, and the stuff is amazing. I'm losing my mind. I am a bead addict. All right, so we have some Afghani and Tibetan pendants, and these are really well made, extremely well made. They got a good, feels like a good base metal. Maybe it could even be like have some pewter in it. Is that it? I'm trying to see if those are animals in that design. If it's just, I guess it's just kind of like vines. But yeah, the triangle, isn't that gorgeous? And then I got one, put that over here, another Tibetan Afghani style. Oh boy, looks like it's got real lapis in it. Looks like to be pretty much real brass. These are really nice, actually. I'm pretty darn impressed because a lot of these you see are not in good shape. So this must be a new piece that's, yeah. Sorry, I'm taking so long. All right, I only had I think I only had one issue that some beads broke. Seems like beads have been breaking in my orders lately from whoever, it doesn't matter who. But I mean, it's a ton on here, so and I could probably, I mean, you can also see, you can get the guilty pleasure of seeing what's inside, and you see how it's dyed. And then the normal stuff, it's just that bleached coral, which, yeah, bleached coral is a sad thing. Let's just say that. But yeah, anyway, but these are cool, aren't they? And let's see, where's that fabric? Here's a weird, really wild one. Look at that. That's just lovely. I love it. Even that doesn't look bad. I like all that. Oh my gosh. I need more energy. Gosh, guys. Could you please send me more energy, physical strength? Okay, these are just gorgeous. A wonderful 16-inch strand of little kind of crazy filed down coral pieces. All right, keep on moving. And we got some, I got a bunch of these. Got some shell. I already forgot the name, what type of shell this is. If I can remember, I'll put it on the screen here, if I can remember though. It's my poor brain. I know my husband is frustrated with me because my brain doesn't work that great anymore. Isn't this beautiful? I can't believe I got 2 strands. That's awesome. That is so awesome. Some carnelian agate. Many different shades in a beautiful rondelle. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh man, love these beads. I am loving these beads. These beads are amazing. All right, so what are these? It looks like some dendritic, however you say, dendritic acid, agate. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, look at that sound. Oh man, these beads have ASMR all over them. These are just gorgeous. Oh no, how did I get my thing messed up? I'm always messing my mat up. Okay. But yeah. Aren't they beautiful? So you have some opaque ones, and you have some with a little bit of translucency. You see the translucency, and and like, yeah. All right, and then we got these wonderful stones. Let's see, they were on a strand. So let's pull off the plastic. Woo! Oh no, where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Okay. I don't like little plastic bits to be. These things hurt to step on, and you really don't want your animals ingesting them, or yeah, they can hurt them. So this one kind of has like a druzy on it. Can you see that? Can you see that druzy there? It's weird. But these are great. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They got a big hole here and a little hole here. I love these jasper, kind of looks like an agate jasper mix. These have kind of a green appearance. These are amazing. Gosh, I wish I had like a couple strands of these. Wow, gosh. I really wish I could go to Tucson, but I can't even go to the grocery store. It's like exhausting. These, oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, these are horn. Horn, or looks like horn. I thought these were agate at first, and I was like, oh, those are those really interesting agate beads. This is really lightweight horn. It also has a lovely ASMR quality. Okay. So I got 4 of these little masks. I don't usually buy these type of things, these specific designs. But yeah, these are great. Oh, sorry, I'm not feeling good. I'm like kind of getting the feeling I may throw up, and it's like, oh boy, let's not do that. Okay, so we got a Spiny oyster shell pendant. This stuff is so expensive. I don't know why. There's tons of it everywhere. I think it's just because the supply and demand thing, you know. Everybody wants it, so of course they got to raise the prices, right? Right. That's what they got to do. Yeah, okay, I see a hole there. There's a hole there, and there's a hole there. So these are just kind of like matched pairs, sort of. Not really. I love these. They remind me of some kind of like polymer clay work. I'm just gonna put them all together so stay happy in that bag. Okay. Oh my goodness, these things. Look at these. Oh, that's so crazy. These might be my favorite goldstone style beads. Sorry, my camera's being weird. Look at that, how like the difference in the pink stone, the rhodonite or rhodochrosite or whatever pink stone that is. Probably like onyx and goldstone. Man, there's like, what are you doing over there? Anyways, these are beautiful. I wish I had a strand of these too. A couple strands. Aren't they gorgeous? Gorgeous. These are gorge. Gorge. Okay, let's pull that back out. All right, what do we do here? We got another, let's look at another inlaid bead. Is that the other? Okay, so we got these inlaid beads too. Okay, so we got another inlaid bead. That looks like some kind of jasper. I don't know if this white is a stone, like if it's howlite, but it does have an appearance of something going on in there. So it might be howlite, maybe like onyx or something. It's huge. It's gorgeous. Boy, I wish I had a bunch of these in like all kinds of inlaid styles. Okay, so back. These are the inlaid beads that are smaller. Aren't they gorgeous? I mean, they're a little tiny, but I think they would be beautiful accents either at like end of a tassel or earrings. I'm really in love with these blue ones. Aren't those gorgeous? I mean, they're tiny, but man, gorgeous. tiny, tiny inlay work. Itty bitty, teeny tiny. Okay, that's the inlay stuff I got. All right, so then got like a black, maybe it's a black jade, I don't know, Starfish. I really like this one because it just had a really earthy, more of an older feel than some of the more common starfish shapes you see out there. And got some Rhyolite. I used to not like Rhyolite that much, but now I'm becoming a big fan of it. I like Kambaba Jasper. It used to be like my enemy stone. I know it sounds weird, but now I love it. I even started buying some of it. I mean, look at all those lights in the reflection. Anyways, we'll move on. Beautiful bead, beautiful donut. And then we got a turquoise piece. Looks like it, I don't know. Is that a, no, I don't know what's going on in the back, but that doesn't matter. It's a beautiful turquoise piece. Ooh. I think this might also be turquoise. It's really small. It's got the same thing. So it's got a little rough, something, the dopper or whatever, something going on there. Beautiful piece. And let's see what this one. I'm actually a fan of like turquoise that has a lot of matrix going on through it. And this is some kind of jasper that kind of looks like a coffee jasper, but or a brown brushiated jasper. Maybe. Sorry, the lights are really just like in the way. They just, anyways, beautiful beads. And then oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this pendant. I mean, it does have a hole right there, a little tiny hole. Oh wow, look at the back of it. Let's see if we can you see that green in there? Isn't that beautiful? It's a beautiful stone. Wow. Okay. This unboxing is taking forever because there's just so many good pieces. I mean, I love everything I have. Everything is amazing. So we got some more of that rhodochrosite looking, or rhodonite, or, then we got some kind of like, looks like apple or poppy jasper. So they're just weird, random shapes. And you get the pieces you get are the pieces you get, you know? It's really cool though, because they're all beautiful. I wish the lights weren't reflecting so much off. Yeah, these are gorgeous. Listen to that. I mean, that's totally some ASMR stuff. All right, okay, we got some, it's a tiny bag, nice tiny bag. Have some Rhyolite donuts, off-center donuts. Oh, these are gorgeous. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh my goodness, and they're so smooth and cold. Ooh. Oh man, this is also a nice, man, this would make a good worry stone. I like that. All right, so we got a couple more things left. I got one of these, which I wonder if there was like a limit, because I love this shape. I got the shape, the same type of shape in a carnelian from the Facebook sale. Look at that. Look at the color in there. Beautiful beads. Okay. And then I got another agate. I wanted it because it looks like a cat. Can you see that? Can you see the cat in there? I was like, oh, I need that. It looks like a cat. That's why I got it. Oh my gosh. Look at that though, it's so beautiful. All that lacing in there. Just gorgeous. All right. And then I got a bunch of these Patina Brass pieces. Really beautiful, and they're all handmade and unique. So yeah, see the difference in the length there. Really beautiful. Cool. All right, so I got a bunch of those, and for these, I got 10 of these coins. I don't usually buy coins, but these I actually liked. So I went ahead and got some, because these aren't those like those goofy, gosh, I can't remember what they're called. They have like the Chinese stuff on it that doesn't make any sense, and it's like, what's going on? Why are we? Anyways, yeah, these are gorgeous. Okay, so what's your favorite? Do you have a favorite? What could be my favorite? Oh my goodness, I really love this beautifully made, gorgeous pendant. It's just a steal for that price, and it really appears to be kind of like an aventurine or something in there. I think I really like that. Anyways, let me know what you think of this haul here from Nina Kittleson, Hole in the Wall Beads on Facebook. I'll put the information in the description below with links and anything. If you have questions, leave a comment. Please support my channel if you enjoy the beading content. Like, subscribe, comment, and share my videos with people that maybe like, you know, they're like, I'm looking for some interesting beads and I don't know where to get them. And ask, you know, you can, yeah, we'll talk to people. Anyways, I just had some strength enough to do this video, so I'm going to go sit back down again. Love you guys. I love these beads. I just love these beads. Oh no, don't do that. All these beads are gorgeous. Anyways, remember to have a beautiful day. Oh, and also join my Facebook group, Dianna Adorned Beads. I'll put the name here, Dianna Adorned Beads. It's not that busy on the Facebook right now, so I'm working on it. We're small. I'm a small channel, so that's okay though. People are just beautiful. Anyways, thanks for hanging with me. Love you bunches, and I hope you're having a good day, and I hope you have a good night, and you get some good sleep, and you wake up, and you have a wonderful breakfast, and you're happy and healthy and safe. This world is crazy, so yeah, I don't want to get political, but we know what's going on in the world, and boy, it's scary. So I just want you all to know that I do love you, and I really hope you're all safe out there. You're in my thoughts. So anyways, I know it's like my video just goes, okay, I'll let you go. Class dismissed. Have a beautiful day, everybody. Little hearts are gonna pop up. Little hearts. Bye.